Welcome back to your Toolbox Tutors 2-minute drill, and this will be example 1 of graphing linear functions using the slope intercept form. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to graph this function using the slope intercept form. First, in order to graph this function using the slope intercept form, we'll put the slope intercept form above this function. Next, we'll identify our parts. B in slope intercept form is the y-intercept, and in this example, this will be 2. So the y-intercept is where your function touches the y-axis. And in this example, positive 2 tells us that our y-intercept will be 0, positive 2. Next, the slope is m, and in this example, it'll be negative 3. To be able to use the slope, what we'll do is rewrite this as a fraction, making this negative 3 over 1. So negative 3 over 1 tells us where we need to go in order to find the next point on this function when we're graphing it. Negative 3 tells us we need to go 3 down from our y-intercept, and positive 1 here tells us we need to go 1 to the right. So this would be our next point. Once again, we can go 3 down from this point, and we can go 1 right again, and this would be the next point in this line. Next, we can switch the slope and also find another point on this line. So instead of having negative 3 over positive 1, we can switch it and have positive 3 over negative 1. So now we'll go back to our y-intercept, and positive 3 tells us we go up 3, and negative 1 on the bottom tells us we go left 1. So this would be our next point. From here, if we connect all of these dots, notice that these points have the same distance apart from each other, and they also make a straight line once they're connected. And here we have this line, y equals negative 3x plus 2, graphed in slope intercept form.